So good morning students. So yesterday we had solved our exercise 2.1. So today we are solving exercise 2.2 chapter 2nd. So first question is there, if fraction is there whose denominator is more 3 more than numerator. So now fraction is let's numerator is x and denominator is x plus 3. So now fraction is x upon x plus 3. In the question that is saying if we are subtracting 3 from numerator and adding 2 to denominator, then fraction will be 1 upon 5. So firstly add subtract here x minus 3 means numerator में से हमने कितने subtract किए 3 and I am adding here 2 to denominator because denominator is x plus 3, so add here 2, so denominator will be x plus 5 and numerator will be x minus 3. So now our new fraction is there x minus 3 upon x plus 5. So the question is saying that new fraction is equal to 1 upon 5. So I written here x minus 3 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. So firstly we have to cross multiply these. So x plus 5 multiply by 1. So x plus 5 plus x minus 3 multiply by 5. 5x and 5 3 is 15. So side transfer of x. Firstly we have to transfer this x to this side. Here is it in plus, so here it will go in minus. So 5 is equal to 5x minus 15 minus x. Then after we have to side transfer of minus 15. So minus 15 will go to this side into plus 15. So 5 plus 15 is equal to 5x minus 4x. Now 15 plus 5 20 is equal to 4x. Now side transfer of 4. So 4 and x, these are in multiply. So it will go in divide. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to x. So 5 is equal to x. So now our numerator is, so we had taken x firstly. So numerator is x and denominator is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So our fraction will be 5 upon 8. This is our answer. Second question given here. The ratio of any two number is 5:8 and sum of these two numbers is 182. So let's number, we can suppose these numbers 5x and 8x because now ratio is 5 and 8. So according to question, if the sum of these two numbers is 182, so 5x plus 8x is equal to 182. So 5 and 8 13, 13x is equal to 182. So now 13 and x is in multiply, so side transfer of 13. So x is equal to 182 divided by 13, so x is equal to 14. Now our numbers are, so first number was our 5x, so 5 multiplied by 14 is equal to 70, and second number is 8x, so 8 multiplied by 14 is equal to 112. This is our answer. Third question, a number is there from we subtract 1 upon 2 and then after multiply also 1 upon 2 and our answer will be 1 upon 8. This is question, so you can read in PDF first page of this. So firstly I had subtracted 1 upon 2, so let's that number is x. So after subtract 1 upon 2, x minus 1 upon 2. Now we are multiplying 1 upon 2, so multiply by 1 upon 2, x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 8. So firstly I had multiplied these both, so x upon 2 multiplied by x is equal to x upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 8. So firstly I side transfer here 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. So this will go in plus. So x upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. So we have to do with LCM method. So LCM method LCM will be 8. So 1 and 2. So 3 upon 8. So x upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 8. Now we have to do side transfer of 2. So 2 is in divide. Here it will go in multiply. So x is equal to 3 upon 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6 upon 8. And 6 and 8 now both numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. This is our answer. Next question is there of a rectangle whose length is 2 more than twice of breadth. So let's breadth is x meter. So length will be 2 plus 2x meter. So perimeter given here already 154 meter. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. We have length, breadth and perimeter. So perimeter 154 is equal to 2 multiplied by length and breadth. So 2 plus 2x plus x. So 2x and x, 3x and same as 2. So I'd multiply 2 to ja 4 and 3 to ja 6x. So now we have to side transfer of 4. So 4 it will go in minus. So 154 minus 4 is equal to 6x. So 150 is equal to 6x. So side transfer of 6 now. So 150 divided by 6 is equal to x. So 25 is equal to x. Oh, we had taken x as breadth. So breadth is equal to 25 meter and length is equal to twice of breadth plus 2. So twice of breadth 50 plus 2 is equal to 52 meter. This is our answer. Our next question, a isosceles triangle is given here. So we know very well that in isosceles triangle any two sides are equal. Okay. So one base is given here 4 upon 3 and two equal sides are asking. So let's these sides are x and third side is given 4 upon 3 and perimeter also given 4 rule 2 upon 15 centimeter. So according to perimeter of isosceles triangle, so 2 multiplied by length of equal sides plus third side. This is the formula of isosceles triangle. So 4 rule 2 upon 15 is this is the perimeter and equals to 2 multiplied by x because I had taken x of length of equal sides and plus 4 upon 3 base is third side is given here. So 15 4 is 60 and 2 62 upon 15 this is the perimeter and 2 multiplied by x 2x plus 4 upon 3. So now we have to do side transfer of 4 upon 3. So here it is in plus, so it will go in minus. So 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2x. Now we have to do with LCM method. So LCM of both the numbers is 15. So like this 15 1 ja 15. So 62 minus 3 5 ja 15. So 4 5 ja 20. So multiply by 1 and multiply by 5 is equal to 2x. So now 42 62 minus 20 is equal to 42 upon 15 is equal to 2x. Now we have to do side transfer of 2 because it is in multiply, so we have to take in divide. So 42 upon 15 divided by 2 is equal to x. When we will divide, then answer will be 21 upon 15 centimeter is equal to x. So the length of equal sides is 21 upon 15 centimeter. Either we can change in mixed fraction, so 1 whole 6 upon 15 centimeter, or we can divide both the numbers by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Then our answer will be 1 whole 2 upon 5 centimeter. So try to solve other questions. If any problem you found, then you can ask. Bye.